As an organisation, Austin Consultants are a systems integrator, so we've got a wealth of experience of integrating many different pieces of equipment, utilising various different technologies. We can help manufacturers that have got maybe legacy equipment from different vendors over their factory floor. We can actually help them integrate those into their own SRP or MRP platforms without having to replace all of their equipment. We can help them get over siloed systems and add sensors to legacy systems to have energy monitoring, condition monitoring, getting all of that data. Some of the bigger customers and bigger organisations, they've already started implementing a lot of this. They're maybe quite a way down the road of having digital transformation for PLM systems, ERP systems that are already there. The smaller manufacturers, they are wanting to leverage these technologies. They want to get the efficiency data, they want to understand their energy usage, but they don't want to outlay all the capital to replace all of their existing equipment. If you understand what your business case is and the problem you're trying to resolve, we can come on site, we can have a look at the equipment that you've got, we can work out the best way to get you the data that you need so you can start getting those insights.